Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can recreate the poster look of I Care a Lot from Netflix. I know this movie released last year, and suddenly just this idea comes into my head, and so without further ado, let's begin, and I hope that you learn some cool techniques from this tutorial. Alright guys, inside Photoshop we are now importing the pictures. So I have imported my picture, and let's just crop the pictures, get rid of the white sides. First rasterize the image, and before cropping I'm just gonna select the subject to make it look like it's PNG transparent. So our model is pretty much done right now. So right now I'm gonna just do a solid color layer. Pick something around like cyanish kind of tint. In the original poster of I Care a Lot there was a cyanish tint, so cyanish tint is done. And let's have a pinkish tone to the color, the render. Link the adjustment layer of solid layer, pink color solid layer, to the render and duplicate it. So have the first adjustment to color mode, and the second one is into an overlay mode, and this will create that sort of reddish pinkish type of tint the character had on the poster. And right now it feels like too much, so adjust like a little bit or sort of that. And go to the adjustment layer and pick a level and adjust the levels to make it looks like the gamma is a little bit loosened, and also there is a little bit of a fade effect on the render, and that's what we want. We don't want the render to look too much sharp or too much bright or too much low brightness, so it's almost fixed in there. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna enlarge our render so it looks very much fitting right now. So let's enlarge the render and upscale it, and there you go, we're pretty much done. And after that, after the positioning, let's just search for the logo of I Care a Lot. And you can find the logo, PNG logo, like everywhere in Google. You can also like took a help of typing too, but I feel like maybe having a ready-made PNG makes it much more easier. The process looks much more easier, and also if you are lazy like me, you can also do that. So let's just import the image after it's downloaded to Photoshop. And inside Photoshop now let's upscale the logo that we just brought, and rasterize it, and link the layers that just got out of the linkment. And let's just go unhide the logo and enlarge it a little bit after rasterizing it so it may fit. And there you go, it looks pretty much fitting right now, right? So I'm just gonna fit it to a suitable position, and after that I am gonna change the color of the logo in the original poster kind of theme. So in original poster it had a pinkish vibe, so go to the adjustment layer of hue saturation and decrease the brightness a little bit, increase the saturation, and pick the pinkish color, and there you go, you're pretty much done. Now let's just crop the picture a little bit so it doesn't look too much space left on the top. It looks like a sort of like a round square shape, but since it's not an official poster or anything like that, it doesn't matter as long as we are getting the result. So our result is pretty much done. So now just merge the layer and make it a solid, make it a smart object, and go to the camera raw filter and apply some sharpness. For example, like texture or details, or add some sharpening like somewhere around 20, 25, 30. And it's fine pretty much, as long as you don't overdo it. And also adjust the highlights and contrast, so it may look like a lot of it like much more close to the original poster that we are going to recreate the look. And now with a little bit changing of the slider of the color tint, and the temperature. Now the poster is almost done, so let's close it and make a group to show the before and after of everything. So there you go, guys. This is how you can make recreate the I Care a Lot poster from Netflix. And just to show the comparison, I'm gonna drag the original photo again, and let's just scale it, yeah, and rasterize it. So on height, here's the before and here's the after. Before, after. So I hope this tutorial helped, and if it really helped, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I am coming with much more tutorials on the weekend, so I hope to see you on to the next one, and have a nice day. See you all next time.